is Kashi, and this is my first travel vlog. Today I am in Jeju Island. I hope you all will like this vlog. Jeju Island is situated in the south of South Korea, the Korean peninsula, and this is a very popular tourist destination among South Koreans, and also you can find many foreigners. I'll be exploring Hamdeok Beach today, and there are plenty of flights from Daejeon. Cheongju is maybe 40 minutes from Daejeon. You can take a train from Sintanjin train station to Cheongju airport, and I think it costs maybe 3,000 Korean won for the train, and even the flight tickets were cheap, so not very expensive. So guys, now I'll be going to the bus stop, and I'll catch a bus from here to the Hamdeok Beach. It's almost 50 minutes ride from the hotel where I am staying. So we are now in the streets of Jeju. There is some kind of laundry shop. I don't know why there is this sign. Anyway, and I think there is some local market. Hamdeok Beach, you can see on the board. And finally we have arrived at the beach. So as you can see, these are all black rocks. So these are volcanic rocks. They are not normal colored. Normally it's brown, but these are all black. Hi guys, so this is my second day of Jeju vlog. So today we will be exploring few other uh, tourist spots. One of them is the waterfall, and other than that we'll also be going to second beach, because yesterday we went to a beach. And so, as I was saying earlier, we are going to a waterfall. The name of the waterfall is Jeongbang Waterfall. It's about it's on the south side of the Jeju Island. So it from my hotel maybe around 1 hour, 1 hour 30 minutes. So guys, we have finally arrived at the Jeongbang Waterfall. Beautiful road. So you can see it's clear water. People. Bye, kitty. You can see the sea from here. Some kind of a statue. Wow. So the ticket prices are 2,000 won for one person. 감사합니다. And the closing time is 5:30. So finally we are at the Jeongbang waterfall. Oh, it's too humid, but anyway, I think you can see the waterfall in here and the sea. This is the traditional Korean architecture that you can see. surfing board. The sand very clean. People sunbathing, few shacks as well. And also you can see far away the two horse. So guys, this is the theme street area, mainly the shopping district. Normally now, because I think it's Sunday and night time, not night but yeah, 9 p.m, so shops are closed, but good area to explore if you want to do some shopping, buy some clothes, shoes. Guys, I'll be finishing my vlog here. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you enjoyed, please subscribe and do like my video, and stay tuned. There will be more vlogs coming. Thank you. Bye.